Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, as you guys can see. Guys, I don't know what's making me happy today. I'm so excited. I'm revealing this hair from Mylynn. Is it Mslynn? I don't know if I pronounce it well. Mslynn. Let me know how they pronounce this. Mslynn. Pardon me if I don't pronounce it well. The hair is body wave and it's 180 density. And the hair is 20 inches. There are some things inside. Okay. There is a wig cap. There is a pair of lashes. And there's another thing. The elastic band. You can sew this to your wig to make it more tighter if you want. Ooh, 20 inches, this is long. Wow. See, and it's 13 by 4 lace wig. You can see the lace is brown. So which means you can install this wig without even bleaching the knots. So this is it, and this is the inside. It's 13 by 4. You see the color of the lace is brown. It came with some combs and inbuilt adjustable strap. And at the back, they attach little lace to it. So you can glue this down to pack your hair ponytail in case if you want to do that. You can as well shock in the lace in case if you don't want to glue the back down, which we are going to do today. I'm going to shock in the lace. You guys can see the hairline. You see it's pre-plucked. So you don't need to do that unless if you are that type that really wants your hairline more defined, you can pluck it the more. But today I don't think I'm going to pluck this. I'm going to leave it like this because this is not bad. This is not bad to me. You guys can see it's not bad. So I'm going to place it on my head for you guys to see. For 20 inches, this is long. I don't know why some hair are longer than some. Some that will come, they will say it's 20 inches. When you see it, it's not that long. Why some? They will say 20 inches. So you'll be feeling is longer than 20 inches. I like this. See this? Normally I wear medium size, but this one looks so big. Don't know why. You see the way it's floating. Oh. Like I say, if you want, you can as well repluck it because of this. Because not everybody that like this, but because I'm going to leave the hair like this down, so I don't need to do that. So if you want to pack your hair ponytail, you can pluck this. Just take your tweezers and let me see whether I can do some magic. If that will not spoil my wig. I have seen somebody done something like this. I don't know if it works. Ah, it's working. Wow. You see, you just take your blade and you try to take it backward, brush it like this. Let's see. Ooh, see, it works. Let me try and let me take this down. Okay, let me hold this down because it the hair is disturbing me. And my earring. And my big earring. Oh, I just find out something today. And let's get into business. Because I said today I want to install this wig fast. Is it balanced? Yeah, it's balanced. Okay, let's cut this off. This medium is really big. Wow. Normally we said it's medium, but this is big. So in case if you wear medium, just order small. Okay, let the cap size be small because this medium is, you guys saw it, it's so big. It's really big, this medium. So if you wear medium, go for smaller size, which is size small. It's better you go for size small because this is awake. See the way the thing is floating. See, it's supposed to lap because with medium, when I fix medium, it laps like this. But see the way this one is floating, so it's a must for you to glue it down. There's no way you can wear it this way. It's a must. So I'm using a wax stick just to take my hair backward. Okay. Then I don't know the kind of pattern I will do. Should I do, where is my comb? I'm always looking for one thing or the other. Oh la la. Always, guys, I'm looking for one thing or the other. The comb was here. Okay, see, I've seen it. Should I go for center part or I should go for straight corner? Because I don't want to do C part. So should I go for center? I always do center. Or should I go for straight? It's not C part, it's straight part, but by the side. It's going to end here because it's joining here, and if I do center, it's the same thing. Yeah, let's do this. Straight corner part. There is shedding from this hair. So guys, let's cut out the excess lace. First of all, cut here. And there we go. Wow. I'll put my got to be this way. And glue this part down before cutting the other side. That's how I want to do it today. That's how we will do it today. Take some hair to hold this down. But it's not bad, you see. For a hair that we did not bleach the knot, this is not bad at all. So guys, I cut out the excess lace from it and tied it down. So I'm going to work on the pattern. I'm going to apply oil. And see what we're up to. Okay, I just need to clean the hairline. That is glue.
Anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
It's a blessing in disguise.